Hello there, let me show you how to work with a simple AJAX enabled web page. First, let's add a web form. We can add either a web form or we can make use of an AJAX web form. For purpose of this video, I shall make use of web form. So we choose the web form and click add. So we have this script over here. We need to include an AJAX extension to extend AJAX to this web page. So first we need to add a script manager. Let's do that over here. Script manager. Once we have included a script manager, next we need a container to contain the components which will make use of AJAX. That would be the update panel. So we have our update panel. Now in this update panel we shall include a grid view, which would be a nice way to show you how we can leverage on AJAX and avoid a full page pushback. To do that, next let's add two grid views. One grid view which will add to the div tag and another one to our update panel. Okay, so we shall populate it with, I have included a sample database to this project. Now we shall populate the grid view with the data from the sample database. So we choose the database using ID, and next the connection string which I've already created. Let's choose all the columns, and let's order it by name, and let's just test the query. Okay, so we have all the data over here, so let's finish. Let's do the same to the grid within the update panel. Now let's enable paging for both our grids. Okay, now let's go to properties and set the page size to 5. Similarly over here, let's set the page size to 5. Okay, now let's distinguish. Let's see, outside grid, and let's put a horizontal ruler. Similarly, let's say inside update panel, grid and update panel. Okay, now we distinguish these two and we have our data. So let's view this. For that, let's just rebuild the website. And good, we don't have any errors. Now let's test this. This is a grid that's outside the update panel, so AJAX won't be working on that. And this is a grid inside the update panel. So this should show us the next page without uploading the entire web page. Okay, so now I'm click second page and you'll notice the entire page, especially over here, if you notice, it is reloaded. So that's without AJAX. And now if you look at the grid which is inside the update panel, so there's a partial update, you'll notice the entire page doesn't get updated, rather just the grid itself. So this thing updates the entire page, whereas this just updates the grid only. So that's AJAX for you. Now let's extend this example. So what we would do is we shall include text boxes to add a new data row. That is, we need text boxes for name, location, contact name, and contact phone. I have the script ready over here, so let me just copy it and select, copy, and let's paste it over here. So I shall paste it over here. And now if you notice, okay, so we have the name, location, contact phone number, and we need to write code to insert into the database. Once again, let me copy the code which I kept ready. And we need to include, okay, now let's just rebuild the website. So that's good, there's no errors. Now let's go with browser. So once again, now let's see, so I need is even solutions, and let's say Wales, contact name is Percy, and phone number. Now when I click enter, you'll notice the entire page has been updated. Okay, so there's the update. Now we can extend AJAX to this particular click event and make sure that this grid gets updated rather than once again entire page being pushed back and the data being updated in the database. We do that as follows. We go to the update panel and we add a trigger. So trigger as post back, and in that we select the control and we select the event to be associated with that. And it's as simple as that. If you look back in the code, you'll notice a trigger has been included inside the update panel. Button entry and even click. So now if we go to the browser and we see a zero solution and we see Scotland, control contact name, let's say Chile, and phone number, let's give phone number. Now when we click enter, you'll notice the entire page doesn't get reloaded, rather just postback takes place just for the grid within the panel and the data is displayed. So go here, come back, you have the data over here. Now if I refresh it, you'll notice data appears over there. So that's how you make use of AJAX in a simple way and enable it in your web page. Thank you.